Hello iPhone users, in this video I will tell you how to convert measurement units and temperature units. For this you have to swipe up from middle and now you will get the search option where you will type out which unit you have to convert. For example, right now on the screen you can see clearly what I am typing, right? I will show you more examples, right? For example, for measurements, what do we do? 5000 centimeter into meter. How do we do that? We just type it out and this answer will be on the screen. I'm showing you more and more examples so you can understand how you can use this feature when you want to measure anything quickly but you don't have the correct unit that you want. So you can convert it right away using this feature, and in quick seconds you are going to get the answer without searching it on Google or something. iPhone users have this benefit to do it right away with temperature or measurement units. That's how we do it. See you in the next video for more useful videos. Ta-da!